Hello friends, today we are discussing about how you can get the traffic from your niche, how you need lead, how you can generate your sales by day $500 to $600 by generating the leads by from this traffic websites. All the best websites you get from backlink. For this backlinks you can look at very cheapest cost, and you can try for only $1 per month trial. You can take a trial for $1. If you like, then you will continue from next month also. If they will give a trial for 1 month for $1, it is nice, no? For how it works, see the first intro video. You have to see this intro video first of all.
So you've done it. You've added one of the fastest and most unique traffic and profit generating strategies to your arsenal. You're now equipped with the ability to generate targeted traffic and commissions in any niche at any time you'd like. Your competitors will never know what hit them. But before we send you off to the members area, there's two very important things for you to consider before you begin hijacking your traffic. And that is scaling. Are you planning to go big? Are you planning to hijack as many domains as possible so you can scale your income fast? And what if you can unlock even more authoritative sites that you can hijack from? If that's something that sounds appealing, you're going to want to pay close attention to this video. You see, the offer you purchased on the previous page was for a heavily discounted.
Okay friends, this was the video. If you want to see more videos like that, inside the link there is so many videos of explaining how they work, and how you can also make money from this, because this website is working one of the best sites in the world. You backlink from the one of the best sites like Quora or Wikipedia or BBC News, or from others like Reddit or so many Medium or so many other making money online. The websites are leaving their links expired links, and they will check out the expired links. If you type them inside this software, if you type the keto diet, or if you type the weight loss, if you want particular weight loss keyword, you can type it. If they will search the results, if they find any keyword related that, then they will give one particular link. They will search the link of expiry links, and they find the link, then they will show you this link was expired. Then you have to click that link and replace with your link with cheaper than $10. It is very low cost to get a backlink from. If you get the so many backlinks at 1 month, then you will get huge traffic and you can generate more sales. And in this you have to think that if you search the weight loss, then weight loss will be the main topic to generate the sales. So weight loss, one of the best method to one niche that you can promote your product from that. How you promote this in these type of ways, you can promote your product and you generate the sales. So many people are making thousands of dollars with help of this. Per day they're making $500, $600. They are so many income proof of that. You will get particular traffic, and if you not trial this, so many big bloggers or the alternate bloggers of your friends, or you may know, who are saying they are ranking by backlinks only. If backlinks is the very important, why you should try this? You have to must try this. Why you have to try this? Because you have to rank. If you come for blogging for joking, if you want more sales, then you have to try this. If you have blog, if you know if you do not want to sell, if you do not want traffic, then leave it your video here only. Because what is this help you for? Not only for website, this also help for ranking your videos with the high level of that. In this one of the video we have such the proof, that payment proof, that one man got 10 million views with 10,000 subscribers with this software, because they generate the links also. You can promote your YouTube links also with this of help. Why should you go for free? The free methods will work nice, but you will not get that much of traffic with that. Because if you post the any group, the link was initial way the link was not working properly. By seeing your name, you don't have enough followers on Facebook and other type of softwares, you post it to groups, then it is a very less amount of chances you can grow from Facebook, because they will not provide you touch that much easier, because the Facebook also the Facebook system work for only for ads. If you want for more ads, then Facebook promote your money. If you give the Facebook for advertisement, then you can promote your Facebook for your YouTube channel throughout Facebook in behind of ad. You run the ad and you can make money. That software also work nice only. Next video we are working upon Facebook ads, and before one of the ads we have promoted you how you can promote your website with free 100% of free. We have link on the description and upside of the I button. You can first see the video how can you apply for ad. Then this will help you to grow your site very faster, very quick way. You can make money initial day only. If you get one day 500 to 600, you'll get instant result first month only. If you like it, then subscribe us, and for more proof or if you want more information, click on the description and the first link we will provide you, and check the link, and you have to must share with your friends also. Okay friends, signing off today. If you want to more free methods, then you can come visit our website, and we will daily updating some more videos with recordings, making money online, SEO, blogging, affiliate marketing. For more information, subscribe our channel and go ahead subscribe with our website also. Upside of the button, subscribe us and follow our Instagram. We'll keep updating with our payment proofs also. Thank you friends, signing off today.